Mga kaibigan, ang nakikita nyo ay mga kaibigan ko, mga kaibigan kong Indian. Nag-i-enjoy sila na tingnan at tanawin ang napakaganda talagang tanawin dito. By the way, sa pangalawang pagkakataon, nandito po ako ngayon sa may Tower Ridge, Al Uraida, Riyadh. So samahan nyo kami at ipapakita ko talaga kung paano nyo may enjoy ang lugar. Okay guys, I'm back here at the Tower Ridge to do the hiking for the second time. But this time around, I am not back for myself alone because I have with me new friends from India. Alright, so let me turn the camera up. Yes, my friend, name?
Hi, Bilru here.
And?
Shaijal.
Shaijal?
Yeah.
And then
Hi, I'm Binas.
Binas?
Dilshad.
Dilshad. Okay. Makatapos naming igarahe ang sasakyan, ngayon umpisa na kami sa hiking and nakikita nyo naman ang mga kasamahan ko. Nag-i-enjoy sila sa paglalakad papunta sa tuktok. At ito ay pinapakita ko sa inyo na meron talagang trail dito kaya hindi kayo mahihirapang akyatin ang tuktok ng bundok dito sa Tower Ridge, Al Uraida, Riyadh. Here guys, we're now getting closer to the top. I'm just trying to catch my breath. It's tiring but actually it's enjoying. Alright guys, we just reached the mountain top. Not exactly the highest peak. But my friends are actually saying it's tiring. Yeah, it is. Mountain hiking is a tiring activity, but that is something that you will enjoy and it's a good exercise also. Now in a while, I'll be showing them this way. I'm sure, that peak point. We'll be going to that. I'm going to show them the sights on that side. And then after that, we'll be going to the other side to show to them the scenic sites with the dates farm. Down the hill is the parking area. That's where you're going to park your car when you visit this place. You just need to drive actually from the road, I think 300 meters, and then you park your car and then you walk your way going on top of the mountain. And once again, this is the Tower Ridge here in Al Uraida, Riyadh. Ngayon po tingnan nyo na ang aking mga kasamahan, nag-i-enjoy na dito sa tuktok ng bundok, kumukuha na ng video at mga larawan. Siya nga pala ang mga kasama ko ngayon, mga kaibigan ko, mga kaibigan natin from Kerala, India. Shout out to the wonderful people of India. Thank you guys for watching. Hi guys! We're here on top of the Tower Ridge, on top of the mountain. Again, I'm saying that this is a nice place for you to do the hiking. I hope my friends with me are enjoying. Do you enjoy?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Of course.
Enjoy.
So how do you find the place?
Good. Very good. Very nice. I have to fly. Beautiful.
Galing doon sa first side na pinagdalhan ko sa aking mga kaibigan. Ngayon, ito naman ang ipapakita ko sa kanila. Ito po yung side ng Sahib Laha Camping Ground at Al Wasla Park. Nakikita nyo rin siguro dyan sa baba mayroong mga sasakyang tumatakbo sa daan katabi ng Dates Farm. Over the sun. Okay, so this is the Alwasal side, and let me get them all inside the frame. So guys, how do you like the place?
The place is looking very awesome. It's a very nice to be here. You people must come and see this place.
Mga kaibigan, sa hiking na gagawin nyo rito, meron kayong dalawang opsyon pabalik sa parking area. Yung unang opsyon ay dadaan muli kayo doon sa trail na dinaanan nyo paakyat. At ang pangalawa ay yung isa pang trail na daanan pababa, pabalik sa parking area. Ito ngayon ang aming dadaanan, yung isa pang trail pabalik na sa parking area. Ang suggestion ko talaga, pag balik nyo papunta sa parking area, dito kayo dumaan sa trail na ito para naman maramdaman nyo talaga ang excitement ng mountain hiking. Hindi naman siya mahirap na daanan pababa, pero kailangan pa rin ang mag-ingat. Ako nga talaga hindi ako dadaan dyan sa trail na yan, mag-shortcut ako dito, ako sa my left side. So tingnan nyo ang mga kaibigan ko, nag-i-enjoy pa, kumukuha muna ng picture bago kami tuluyang bumaba pabalik sa parking area. Let us see. How do you find it?
It's very good. I have some.
Tiring and?
No, it's fine.
Wow.
It's fine. It's normally.
Anyway, they have gotten used to probably they have gotten used to hiking. And what about you?
Yeah, it was a very nice experience because early morning around 4:30 we woke up and we
Let's
started
do it
from
here.
here.
Okay.
We started from here around 6 o'clock, and
So-
just now we finished, and it's too risk to
Is it
reach over
challenging?
there.
Is it
We are coming from that so far. It's very nice experience actually. It's good to walk in the early morning. Thank you for inviting to us.
Very good. Very nice place. I like it.
Will you come back here?
Inshallah. Sure. Next day. Maybe next month, next year.
So that's it. We are now about to leave the place, and once again, this is the Tower Ridge, Riyadh. Come to the place and enjoy the same way that my friends enjoyed our hiking here at the Tower Ridge, Al Uraida, Riyadh.